Experiencing issues with simple mobile international roaming, it's a common problem, but often easily fixed. First, ensure data roaming and international roaming are enabled in your phone's settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Roaming. Without these enabled, your phone can't connect to foreign networks. Next, check your APN, access point name. Simple Mobile's default APN is Simple, but for international roaming, try switching to fast.tmobile.com or the specific APN of the local carrier in the country you're visiting. Incorrect APN settings prevent data access. Manually enter the APN in Settings, Network, Mobile Networks, access point names. These two steps resolve most international roaming issues for Simple Mobile users. If you're still having trouble with international roaming on Simple Mobile, especially with newer devices, consider using an eSIM solution. Simple Mobile, operated by T-Mobile, supports eSIM transfers for international travel, which can eliminate physical SIM card issues. Download a roaming profile via the T-Mobile app to get started. eSIMs offer several benefits, including faster setup and reduced errors compared to physical SIMs. The eSIM process involves downloading and activating a digital profile on your device. If you encounter an invalid SIM error after installing an eSIM, ensure your phone's software is up to date. Older phones might need software updates to fully support eSIM functionality. While eSIMs offer a streamlined solution, they might not be compatible with all devices. Check your device's IMEI for eSIM support before relying on this method. Remember, manually adjusting APN settings or enabling roam settings can resolve issues in 85% of cases.